Updating your email address on Amazon Prime Video is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Sign in. Go to the Amazon Prime Video website or open the app. Click on the sign in button and enter your current account credentials to access your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once signed in, navigate to the Account and Settings option. This is usually found in the drop-down menu under your profile name or icon. Step 3. Select your account information. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Your Account section. Click on it to view your account details, including your email address. Step 4. Edit email address. Find the option to edit your email address. Click on the Edit button next to your current email, enter your new email address, and confirm it if prompted. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, make sure to save the changes. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address to verify the update. Once you have completed these steps, your email address will be updated on Amazon Prime Video. Make sure to check your new email for any confirmation messages.